figured it was worth having a peek at it. Why not? You never know what you're gonna find. Here's another Camaro, pretty complete. I mean, it's rough, but pretty complete. This Monte Carlo looks pretty complete. These are kind of popular now too. These things were like dirt cheap back in the day, but they definitely kind of have their own cult following as well. Ooh, two-door Coupe de Ville. I dig that. This is probably like a 79 Caprice, I'm guessing. That's an early. Oh, actually, this is an Impala. This isn't even a Caprice, it's an Impala. I'm guessing this is actually a 70s one. There's another car you can't really find many parts for anymore. Anyway, that's about it.